Yo, Abel, Lockmain, morning. Morning. Hi, Maddox. Ivoca, good morning, everyone. Let's give it a bit of time for everyone to start dripping in. Yo, boss, yo, guys. Let's give it a bit of time for everyone to drip in since we will be discussing it today. Let's see. It was hectic yesterday. It was a crazy day. Hey, feeling better? Yeah, I'm doing good. Razor, goedemorgen bro. Beavis, morning. Nikolai Sparks, morning. You too, boss. Yash Kumar, yo. Henk, yo. Ja hoor, gaat goed. Dan Pon, goedemorgen. Galaxy, how are you doing, you legend? So how is everyone? Love what you're doing, thanks man. I love doing it. I'm doing my absolute best. Fixaido, hey, how are you? Hi, crazy. Yeah, I will get a tattoo. I promise, so I will do it. We will gonna do a tattoo. Morning, Chief, morning. How is everyone? Let's see. Let's give it a small bit. Give it some small time. We'll get 94 people in already, 97. So yeah, still waiting for fund spending transfer to Maxi. Taking 5 ever, I guess forever, but yeah, I get it. I understand it's taking some time. Is copy trading available and Bybit with your flow? Yes it is. I will do the explanation about the copy trading now for both platforms. Have you seen my screen, Ellie? I think we will. I think we actually might discuss that today. So yeah, I have 2 announcements. One is we're gonna discuss copy trading. Cash out profits, I don't know. Let's first make some profits before we start cashing them. One is I will be out for 1.5 weeks, or at least less active. I am off on a work trip for 10 days. That will be in the Dutch Caribbean, but it's still work, it's not a holiday. So I will be there less frequent, but I will still try to do as many trades, as many good setups, etc. as is possible. But yeah, it's gonna take me a bit longer to ramp up. Umar, we're just setting things up. Give it a bit of time, give it some slack, okay? Everyone here? When are you giving us FitPro already filled up the form? They're working on it. It's a manual thing. Grape Ape is working on it. If it takes very long, ping him. It will all be handled. I first want to discuss Maxi. As you can see on the screen here, for Maxi I have all the copy trades put on. What is important is I'm trading with more than 4K. So that means that, wait, someone is asking. Someone is asking where I am, but okay. The thing is, I will be trading with more than 4K port. If you go on Maxi, you can do between, guys, let me get back to the other questions. Wait, let me first finish this story, then I will get to all the other things that's going on with chat, etc. etc. First of all, copy trading is optional. So that means copy trading it's a good thing that you mentioned it. The thing is, copy trading is to start with, optional. So that means that everyone is free to follow. Everyone does it on his own risk. And I just do it as an extra service to hopefully give you guys the best experience and the best profits that I can maximally do from my perspective. So there's no need, there's no obligation, there's no force, no nothing. I will still be doing my normal calls. I also just send it out in my guidelines. I will always be doing the normal calls. So don't worry. For Maxi, there is some explanation. And the explanation is also already in the guidelines in Chento. So if you have VIP approved, it will be there for the guidelines. I'm gonna walk you through it right now. So that means if you deposit 100 or 200 or 500, etc., it's the same. It's just correlated towards ratio. The thing is, I have 4,000-ish in there. With 4,000, the ratio should be 0.025 as a multiplier. That means that if you have 1,000, the multiplier should be 0.25. If you have 2,000, it should be 0.5. If you have 500, it should be 0.1, etc., etc., etc. So this is the correlation towards my bag size. So check out my bag size, check out how much I'm trading, and correlate it towards this. This is all under the advanced settings. The slippage, I would say, please put it at 0.5. Good bro, if it doesn't allow you to click on the box, I cannot help you. I'm sorry, but honestly, I cannot help for you the fact that you cannot click next step. I'm not the software developer behind Maxi. So contact the help desk, ask someone else in the chat, but I cannot help you. Crypto flow, I'm not doing loans, I'm not a bank. I'm sorry. Leverage, leave it open, leave it to me. Slippage 0.5, take profit and stop loss, also do it on me. Let me do it, let me control it. I am gonna start with 4,300. So 0.025 for 100 is the right ratio, but I'm gonna start with a bit more. That is it for Maxi. I will repost this image as well. I will write some guidelines. So that is it. Brother, give me Signal Discord, please. What do you mean? You can leave slippage, but I would do 0.2 or 0.5. The thing is, I prefer you guys not to enter a trade when the trade comes to the point where it might be dangerous. Slippage means the amount of room that can be between your trade and my trade. If there's too much room between the two trades, for me it's a danger. And I don't want to have that danger. Because that means that it might go a different direction than intended. Always use multiplier, Charlene. Always use multiplier. It's in at everyone. It's in my corner. I cannot keep answering all these questions for everyone all the time. I'm sorry, I have to focus on trading. I have to focus on copy trading. I have to focus on making you guys money. You have to set slippage for every coin. You don't have to say sorry. Bro, Nitin, if you don't put advanced settings and do the multiplier, you're already wrong. Please read. Come on. I cannot keep on spoon feeding you guys. I just can't. If you didn't have the option to set slippage, you were not on then you were not on advanced settings. If you cannot find slippage, you were not on advanced settings. No, I'm not watching the Belgium game. Everything is now really in the Discord, guys. I'm gonna be honest. Where did my window go? Let me see. Huh, that is interesting. So this is the Bybit one. My Bybit now is set on a bag of 2300. Oh shit. Sorry. Am I back? Can you guys see me? Are you guys still here? Sorry, I misclicked my window. Okay. My bag currently at Bybit is 2300. Hank, please not those questions now. Spider, not those questions. I'm explaining the copy trade. I'm not doing calls right now. This is just explanatory things. To go back with Maxi, bag can be 100 and above. Okay? Hank, I just say to you, zit je long, and I said I'm not doing it now, and now you type it again in English, please. Just let me explain this story. It's not about trades right now. It's about 700 people trying to sign up. So please let me continue my story. My bag is 2300. So what the thing is, my followers position now is almost 500,000. The issue with this is my followers are now still depositing 200, 500, 200, 300, 0. This bag size will make sure that if you have less than 1,000, you will get wrecked because it has a fixed margin position. The fact that will wreck you is going to be an issue. How to change the slippage option? I already proceeded with no choice. Then you didn't click advanced. If you didn't click advanced, you're not getting the slippage option. Please read my channel. It says advanced settings. My bag 4K-ish, so with 100 multiplier should be 0.025 and so on. Slippage 0.5, as out to me, TP to me, leverage to me, bag size 100 and more. I cannot make it any clearer. Zahadin, I cannot because I don't have an account that can do that setup. I am a master trader, so I don't have an account that I can just not do it. If this is not clear enough, guys, then please don't do the copy trading. I'm gonna be honest, if you guys can not get this done, don't do copy trading. Just don't. Yeah. Bybit, minimum 1K deposit. If it's less than 1K, don't comment me that you lost money. Don't comment me that there are trouble, there are fees, everything is too high, etc. Bybit is easier. Bybit only lets you do a fixed amount. I am typing it out now also for everyone in the chat. The thing with Bybit is I need at least 1k. Yeah, that's because my bag size. So minimum 1k. If you do less, don't speak up about losses. Don't come at me. Don't say anything. Just don't. It's gonna be a waste of time. Are you going to scam us? What is that for comment? CS what? I'm just gonna wait on CS to explain me what he means with that. CS, we're waiting on you. Are you going to scam us? Just do me a favor, leave this stream, leave my Discord and don't come back. Like the amount of clowns and people that think I just hand out free money is just way too high, man. I'm trying to help everyone. I'm trying to be there for everyone. I'm gonna do calls, I'm gonna do trainings, I'm gonna do everything for free. And then you have these clowns, like... You know what, CS, just send me your Discord name so I can kick you and ban you. Just send me a DM, man. Damn. Yeah, Nikolai. Bybit is margin trading. The thing is, I will open up large positions. I will open up 500. I will open up 1,000 maybe. If you have a way smaller position, even though it is margined, it's gonna be a problem. Fabien, it's not spot trading. It's all margin trading. It's all on leverage. So nothing will be done on spot. It's not that complicated, guys. Everything for now is out there. Everything for now has been explained. If there are more questions, if there are more things that are not clear, I cannot help you guys any further. And my advice would be to please do not use copy trading. If there are still questions, and if there are still things that are unclear after reading everything, just don't do it. There will be calls. We will do challenges. I will try to start a challenge. I really will try and do a challenge. But the thing is, I'm running Maxi copy trading. I'm running Discord copy trading. I cannot run a 200 to 20k challenge in the same time. I cannot run 3 accounts with 3 ports at the same time and having a full-time job. I can just not do it. So we will focus on copy trading for a bit. I think until Christmas or January, and in January we start a new challenge. In the meantime, you have Mischievous, you have Kisant, you have Bintang, who are also doing calls, who are helping you guys, who are there for you guys. And we're offering education. This channel is gonna be less about will be less about just throwing out their calls. The thing is, we're doing everything for free. We're helping everyone for free. We're being there, everyone for free. It's not too late to join up yet. The VIP access is the same for everyone. So if you sign up with Maxi or Bybit, doesn't matter. You will get the same things. You will get the same access. We don't deviate between them. So it's, yeah, I can just advise you to get that sign up done, because it will help you out tremendously. But yeah, we have to streamline certain things, guys, and we have to be real, because we're doing everything for free still. You opened a long in Maxi but it wasn't copied. I don't know, maybe. I'm not gonna do 100 to 100k. I'm not gonna do it right now. I have too much on my plate. I will give you guys goals, but I'm not gonna do it in a challenge manner. What I will be doing is I explain to you, I give you TA, I give you goals, I give you live streams, and that's all I'm gonna do now. There are 1,000 paid discords out there that give less for free. I want to remain doing it for free. I'm gonna keep doing it for free. But yeah. No, everyone has access to copy trading. Everyone can do the copy trading. If you want goals, if you want to have more information, if you want to be there with the rest, you should do it. Honestly, if you have less than 1k or even above 1k, Maxi is more transparent. Maxi is easier. You can correlate towards my back. So my advice would be, if you're below 1k, if you're below 5k, etc., go to Maxi. It's easier, it has a better setup for the copy trading. So personally, I would go with the Maxi one. I think it's the more logical one. Honestly. So that's my opinion. That is my explanation. I don't think anything else has to be said. We already have 370 people following the copy trade. If your long wasn't filled, it's logical due to the fact that it might have been open before you submitted. So yeah, I'm just trying to do my best, and I'm honestly trying to keep it free. And I'm trying to keep my cool, I'm trying to keep my calm. But sometimes it's overwhelming, guys. I'm human. I am truly human, and I'm doing my absolute godlike best. I've had 2 weeks where I've built a team that now became the Scalebacks community. That is mischievous, it's Bintang, it's Kisand, it's Ape, it's Harsh, it's Wingman, it's Prodigy, and it is Vic Flair and me. We are now with a team of 9. I want to offer all of them something. We are working with all of them together to give you guys the best experience. But in order to give you the best experience, we need to have the time to do what we do best, and that is train and that is help you guys. And right now we're getting so overloaded with questions, we're getting so overloaded with everything. I'm just trying my best, but people have limits. So sometimes I might be short fused, sometimes I might not be fully, I'm not gonna be the happiest panda ever. But yeah, we're trying our best, we're doing our best, and we're trying to be there for you guys. We're trying to watch out for you guys, and we will do everything to give it all. What I hope is no one's going to be exit liquidity. We are... Emma, please look at the Discord. You should not put a percentage there. You should go to advanced, where it says correlation to the back. That means it's multiplier. And that multiplier should be done. Well, Bybit, I cannot show you the settings. I don't have a screenshot. I can explain it once more. Bybit is 1k. If less, then don't speak up. Leverage up to me, stop loss up to me, position size 20% of port. Okay? That is it. Why am I crazy if I think BTC is going to 16.8 by? Tell me. Tell me why. I don't know why I'm crazy. If you know it better, you can trade for me, I don't mind. But liquidity wise, there's a lot of liquidity up there. And we covered this factor candle zone already twice. We tapped, came out of it, tapped, came out of it, and now we're just consolidating here. Yes, Bybit 200 USD per trade. And we only have some liquidity that needs to be recovered here, but it has a point of control here and hasn't come down to it. That's the 16.2. We will visit it, but there's millions of liquidations up there. So I'm gonna put up that chart of high block and then tell me why we would not go to 17K. Look at that liquidity. Look, D1 from 20 to 11, we are going up and volume go down. So next step is 16.4. We don't have buyers. Depends. If you look at the other block, it's completely different. It's not only about buyers. The market does not move solemnly on buyers. The market moves on liquidity grabs. And the liquidity now clearly is more to the upside. Trust me. Can you guys see that picture on the screen? Yeah, strong sellers at 17. So there will be a sell-off, but I truly think that 16.8 to 16.6 is reachable. It's more than fairly reachable, actually. We need to see some relief. We only see downside. The market can keep compressing, but between 17 and 20, there is the most huge imbalance that we've seen in a really long time. And before moving down, we need to move up first a bit. We already bounced off the daily. We have set the new psychological ranges. They're gonna test the psychological ranges somewhere today. And if I'm wrong, and I will close my trades. I'm monitoring it closely. I'm sitting behind the laptop. I'm sitting behind the PC. So, yeah. Maxi per trade will be 25. Nitin. I've banned you from SSR for keeping stupid questions. I've already banned you from here. If you don't read, you're going to be the first one who's going to get banned in Scalp X. So, either you read, I even already banned you on Twitter. Why do you live with your mom? I don't live with my mom. What are you talking about? And that, yeah, is a weird ass question. Yeah, I think I have to deal with like 14-year-old kids in chat right now. So I've explained it 4 times. I've explained my strategy. I have explained what I will be doing. From next live streams, I'm gonna pay less attention to the chat. And I'm gonna leave it right here. Because if those are the questions that are popping up, yeah. Anonymous keyboard heroes is not my thing. I rather focus on trading and I rather focus on the staff and all the people that are in here to learn. So, if there are any problems, I will be live in the Discord. Yeah, I'm working on a stream with Tino, man. Neo, but I can deal with hate, but why do you ask me if I live with my mom, even though it's not true? Like, what does that add, man? Like, what's in it for you? Just... yeah, whatever. Yeah. So, okay, I'm gonna hop over to the Discord. I will be in the live chat there. If anyone needs me, let me know. And I'll catch you all next time.